A friend of ours who lives in Louisiana gifted us with a bunch of fresh pecans. I thought I would share this recipe with you. This is a nice treat and chocolate goes well with Valentine's Day. So today I'm making flourless double chocolate pecan cookies. The ingredients are 3 cups confectionery sugar, 3/4 cup Dutch processed cocoa powder, spooned and leveled, 5-ounce bittersweet chocolate chopped, 1.5 cups chopped pecans, 4 large egg whites, room temperature. Now the first thing I'm going to do is chop my pecans. I'm going to chop them in my little chopper here. That's my favorite little chopper. Put the top on. Okay, nice and chopped. The pecans have been chopped. And now I have to chop 5 ounces of the bittersweet chocolate squares. And again, I'm using my famous little processor. This is my favorite little processor. So I'm just cutting it a little. And then I'll measure to make sure it's 5 ounces when I'm done. I'm going to chop the rest of the chocolates now, the bittersweet chocolates, in the processor. Now this is my 5 ounces of chocolate. Confectionery sugar I'm putting in a bowl. And then I'll be adding the cocoa powder. This is a very, very simple recipe. Now you have to whisk the sugar and the cocoa powder together. The cocoa powder and the confectionery sugar is all blended now, so I'm going to stir in the chocolate bits and the pecans. I'm going to stir this gently in. The oven is being preheated at 325. Now I'm adding my egg whites. And you have to make sure that you don't overstir the batter. So I'm gently stirring this to incorporate the egg whites. As you can see, it's coming together now. It's getting to be that nice chocolate color. The batter is mixed well, and as you could see, this is a very, very stiff batter. But now it's ready to be put on the cookie sheet. I'm putting them on the cookie sheet now. And they should be about 3 inches apart. The cookies are now in the oven and they have to bake for 25 minutes. At the halfway point, you have to rotate the baking sheet. The cookies are finished. We've baked them for 26 minutes and after 13 minutes, we rotated the tray. They look good and you're supposed to bake them till they crack. And as you can see, they're cracked. When the cookies come out of the oven, you have to take the cookies on the parchment paper and put them on a cooling rack and let the cookies cool before you could place the cookies on a plate. Now the second batch is coming out of the oven. The cookies are all done and I made 2 dozen. So this recipe you'll get 2 dozen of delicious cookies. Now Grandpa and I are ready to have our Valentine dessert. How do they look, Grandpa?
They look delicious, nice and chocolatey.
Yeah, just what we love, chocolate.
Crunchy and chewy.
Delicious cookie.
Nice chocolate flavor with that Dutch chocolate.
So good.
You did a good job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. We want to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
To store the cookies, you have to keep them in an airtight container up to 3 days or freeze them.